The Road Ahead, sponsored by RTC.
Hi, I'm Annie Woods for The Road Ahead with RTC. The RTC is starting a traffic engineering project designed to enhance safety here in Washoe County. And here to tell us more about it is RTC Project Manager Blaine Peterson. Thanks so much for being here with us, Blaine. And tell us how RTC is kicking off this traffic engineering project.
The RTC is starting this project designed to make roadways and sidewalks safer for our community. The project is starting here in Sparks with a traffic signal installation at the intersection of East Prater Way and Lillard Drive. In addition to the traffic signal, we'll also be ensuring ADA compliance by installing some new traffic ramps and audible pedestrian signals for the visually impaired.
Fantastic. So why did the RTC want to put a traffic signal at this intersection?
As our community gains drivers and pedestrians, that can sometimes lead to the need for new traffic controls. The City of Sparks requested a traffic signal at this location due to increased traffic flows and safety concerns. This location also met the federal guidelines we use when evaluating new traffic signal locations. When the project is complete, the intersection will be safer for everyone.
And are there any road closures that the residents in this area should know about?
There will be lane closures around the intersection, and southbound Lillard Way will be closed between Atlantic Way and East Prater Way through February 19th. But we will maintain access to the homes in that area.
And what other intersections, or are there any other intersections that you'll be improving?
This is part of a larger $2.2 million region-wide traffic engineering project. We'll be upgrading some older signals in the region, as well as improving some crosswalks. If you need to see a list of locations, it's on our website.
Fantastic. Well, thank you so much for all that great information. If you'd like to learn more, you can visit rtcwashoe.com or join RTC on Facebook and Twitter. I'm Annie Woods for The Road Ahead with RTC. This is your RTC.
The Road Ahead, sponsored by RTC.